Now we've all been there at some point. We smacked our little grimy fingers against some cherry blues on the mechanical keyboards at Walmart and thought it was the pinnacle of luxury keyboards. And to be completely honest, maybe we should have stopped there. But no, we insisted on searching for better sounds, better feels, and better looks and ended up spending hundreds on keyboards in the process. Most of us moved on from clicky switches since then, but some people just have a taste for that sweet, sweet crunch every time they want to type something. That's completely fine, everyone has their own preferences, right? But if you're like me and you don't want your Kailh clicky switches to sit and collect dust, you could at least convert them to linears to see if you can turn thick clicks into thock clocks?